So hi everyone, just look at this question. Before understanding the question, we will understand what is right hand palm rule. Right hand palm rule. Okay, this very easy rule like right hand palm rule, just like this. This is your thumb, fingers, all the fingers, clear. Then your thumb will indicate the direction of. It should be in the direction of motion of charge particle, direction of motion of particle, charge particle. Okay. Just understand. All these fingers must be in the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field. Your palm, you can check this is your palm. This is your palm. Clear? Your palm will indicate the direction of force. Direction of force. It will give you the direction of force. I hope this is clear. Now, just read this question, what they are saying. An alpha particle enters a uniform magnetic field as shown. The direction of the force experienced by the alpha particle. Now, alpha particle is 2he4. Okay, its mass is 4 times the mass of proton. And it is positively charged particle. Now, it is going in the downward direction. You can check it is going in the downward direction. Magnetic field in the right. Then just rotate your this palm. This is your hand. Like I am drawing. Okay, my drawing is not good. This is your hand. Okay, now rotate your hand in such a way your thumb must be in the direction of positively charged particle in all these fingers. All these fingers, one, two, three, four. All the four fingers, one, two, three, four. It should be in the direction of magnetic field. Your thumb must be in the direction of positively charged particle. Clear? Then your palm, this palm will indicate the direction of force. It is the direction of force. Remember, velocity, magnetic field, force, all are perpendicular. Okay. Now, where is our magnetic field? Magnetic field is like this. If you understand, magnetic field is this, but this thumb is in the direction of positively charged. It is going up. It looks like that, but it is going down. So it will be like this. Okay, you can't understand, like I can't rotate my hand fully. Just try to understand. You rotate this this hand you rotate. I will also rotate this. Just look at this. This is your thumb, clear? And these are fingers. Okay. Somehow I made clear. Now you can say this your thumb is in the direction of this alpha particle. Alpha particle. That is correct as per law. Right hand palm rule. All the fingers in the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field in the right. You can check. Sorry. Then your palm is indicating the direction of magnetic force. Now where is the palm? This is your palm. Clear? Your palm is indicating direction of magnetic force. Now magnetic force always perpendicular to the field and motion of charge. All three are perpendicular. If magnetic field in the right, velocity of motion of charge particle in the down, then force will be outward. Okay, it should be perpendicular to magnetic field and velocity. All three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Clear? So right answer is Option D, out of the page. If you do like this, okay, if you do like this, like now, like, then it is palm is telling the direction of magnetic force. Clear? This is the direction of magnetic force. So right option is D, out of the page. Is it clear? Thank you so much. Still you have doubt because in such problems like students find difficulty in order to apply right hand palm rule. So again I'm saying this is your right hand, your thumb will indicate the direction of, it should be in the direction of motion of positive charge. Clear? All the fingers, one, two, three, four, this should be in the direction of magnetic field. Then your palm, this palm will indicate the direction of magnetic force. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.